Mercy. Hi, Mercy. Hi, honey. Mama loves you. Mama loves you. How are you doing today? Huh? Go ahead. Really? Do you think so? Oh, goodness. Say hello. Hi. Yeah, hi. Say hi, my name is Mercy Grace. Yeah. Say hello. Hello, world. Do you know Jesus loves you? You tell him. Just recite John 3:16. Go ahead. You know it. For God so loved the world, He gave His only begotten Son. Exactly. Go ahead, tell him the whole story. Mercy. Mercy. Hi, pretty baby. Hi, beautiful girl. Hi, honey. Uh-oh.